Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with LooksRare. LooksRare is an NFT marketplace located at https://looksrare.org. This platform facilitates the buying and selling of digital art and collectibles, existing as a competitor to established platforms like OpenSea. While the core functionality of buying, selling, and trading NFTs remains similar to other marketplaces, LooksRare distinguishes itself through a few key features. One notable aspect is its reward system, which distributes Looks tokens to both buyers and sellers who actively participate on the platform. This incentive structure is designed to encourage user engagement and build a strong community around the marketplace. Additionally, LooksRare boasts a sleek and intuitive interface, aimed at providing a user-friendly experience for both newcomers and experienced NFT enthusiasts. Navigating the platform to discover, browse, and acquire digital assets is designed to be straightforward and efficient. Further distinguishing itself, LooksRare offers a distinct fee structure, often with lower percentages compared to some competitors, potentially offering a more cost-effective trading experience. This marketplace has also integrated social features, allowing users to connect, share, and engage with the wider NFT community directly on the platform. While newer than some of the more established NFT marketplaces, LooksRare has rapidly carved a niche for itself, attracting both creators and collectors with its unique approach to community building and its reward-focused ecosystem. By leveraging token incentives and fostering a strong community, LooksRare seeks to provide a vibrant and rewarding experience within the evolving landscape of the NFT market. It's worth exploring LooksRare to see if its features and functionality align with your specific needs and preferences in the dynamic world of digital art and collectibles. Remember to do your own research and understand the risks involved before engaging in any NFT transactions.